The smoke from that fire is dominating the Cascade Mountains there.
Yeah, you can see it there in the distance, and we had that plume just a couple of days ago. And matter of fact, yesterday afternoon, we could still kind of see that plume from this camera angle right here out of our Mount Hood Meadows camera. 59 degrees, it's been dry. The wind has settled down compared to yesterday, but notice that the smoke is fairly thick, and that is actually looking towards the White River fire. This is a photo actually from yesterday of that plume that was sent in. Look at that. Still very scary. It's going to remain fairly dry as we go through the week, but we do have this disturbance that's going to roll in early tomorrow morning. Two things: it may increase the wind and it may bring in a little bit of precipitation, but I don't think it's going to be enough water to really help out. So this may actually cause more of an issue than be a helping hand for that wildfire. You can see there on the satellite that the wind is now moving from the northwest down to the southeast as we wait for that disturbance early tomorrow morning. Check the difference out from yesterday. We had this wildfire map, and that smoke was moving to the northeast because that was generally where the wind was coming from. It was kind of rushing from the southwest to the northeast. But since we've seen that wind shift, all right, now that wildfire smoke is now starting to push off to the southeast. So a lot different than what we were experiencing last week. Let me show you. We'll zoom on in. Here's that White River fire here, and notice that the smoke is now trying to push down to the southeast. So everything to the northwest is going to appear more clear, maybe a little more clean than down to the southeast. But with all the wildfires here in the Cascades, it's going to remain kind of a smoky problem as we go through probably this week. We still have some time as the wildfire season continues on. Current wind speeds close to the surface. We're looking aloft. That's what's going to transport that smoke maybe farther in the distance. But here in the surface area, close to the ground, we do have about a 5 to 15 mile per hour sustained wind speed in the valley. Yesterday at times is a bit stronger than that, so it is settling down. But as I mentioned, with that front moving in overnight, we may see some gusty conditions once again. I want to show you on the FutureCast what we have going on tonight. Notice clouds start to increase. We already have a thin cloud coverage, which is pretty typical in front of what is going to be rolling on in, which is that upper level disturbance. But then the clouds start thickening up as we go into tonight. Now, temperatures this morning, a chilly 51 degrees under a pretty clear sky. Notice that we'll have some clouds rolling in that may keep our temperatures up slightly. Notice that we have some very patchy rain across parts of the Willamette Valley, mainly the Oregon coast, and then again for sections there of the higher elevations off towards the east. But there should be some drier locations as well. You can see that Central Oregon, Deschutes County, Jefferson County down to the south. We'll keep clouds in the forecast, especially for the first part of the day. It looks like it may be pretty cloudy as we go through the forecast. But then we open up to some very beautiful weather Tuesday, Wednesday, and through the week. In fact, if you were hoping for another surge of summer heat, we will be seeing that this week. In fact, we'll have some 70s there, but we get to the 90s by the time we get to about Thursday and Friday. I have a forecast high of about 90 to 92 degrees on Friday. We have to deal with some clouds on Monday, but boy, it's going to get pretty hot as we start to approach Labor Day, back to the 90s. Jeff.
Yeah, summer's not over yet, is it, Joseph?
No, sure isn't.
All right, well, next, after a month, the steel